Hi guys, it's Team Nitro 26, and I got a few things today, and I'll show them to you now. First of all, Dean's connectors, Ultra Dean's. Next is a 2200 milliamp 4S 14.8 volt 35C starter box battery. And I didn't expect it to be this small because it's only about the palm of my hand, a little more. And the reason I'm in this part of my workshop right now is because I'm rebuilding my Savage to go on vacation. And you'll see why I'm getting these things. I got this stuff because, well, you'll just see when I get it. It'll be a while from now. And it's not just a starter box. I got the mail, and then this, and I got some cleaning tools and the black can right there. And that's all I got today. I'll probably get more. Probably more of this, because I don't have any more. It's blow off duster stuff. Yeah, but this battery, I didn't expect it to be this small. I thought it was going to be so much bigger. Got it for $40. But yeah, I'll show you the Rustler, but it's for sale now because I hate it. Alright, here's the Rustler. I just absolutely hate it. I don't hate it, but it's just giving me so much problems. All the gearing in here is messed up. Everything in this case is messed up. Like, everything works, but it's just, I just don't really have the time to fix that. Just don't feel like it. I'll show you that it definitely does work, though. One second, guys. Alright. So. That's on 2S. So, still have 3S power, but I just don't bother putting it in there. And I'll have the expansion kit on it. Alright, so, yep, and I'm selling it with this radio, because the one that I want, the truggy that I want, which I probably just gave away, comes with the DX3S. I'm getting the Low CAT 2.0 ready to run at my birthday. The starter box, this is for the battery for it, and that's to put the battery in it, and yeah, my workshop is completely messed up because I'm rebuilding my Savage, as I told you before. It's under there. I just cleaned it, sort of. Hold on, I want to go to the other room, show you what it actually looks like, because I can't see anything right now. Hold on. The old workshop.
You having fun down there, Matt?
Yeah.
Are you almost done?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Come up shortly, okay?
Okay.
Love you. Make sure all the lights are
Okay, bye.
okay?
Yep. Alright, sorry about that, guys. It was my mom being a pest, like, most of the time. Alright, so this is what it looks like, sort of cleaned. I didn't have too much, I didn't really want any Like, I just threw some stuff on there and, well, not a big deal. It's not completely clean, but, like, it's good. I'm getting $500 for my buggy. Not a race roller. Getting $500 for the whole thing. Oh, and I put different oil in my shocks too, so that's good. But yeah. See, those two boxes are going with it, and there's the buggy. Alright, so that's about it, guys, and I'll see you later.